bitch. Been that bitch, still that bitch. Will forever be that bitch. Forever be that bitch. Yeah.
What's up, Uniqueens and Kings? It's your girl, Kiara Unique, and I am biggity back with another video. And today's video, I am talking all about hygiene. Okay? So ladies, there's no excuse as to why y'all should be walking around a little stank, okay? Not even them stank attitudes,
I don't like
period.
that.
And then also, there is no reason why your skin shouldn't be soft. I'm tired of people always like anybody, my cousins, my friends, my family, it doesn't matter who. When they touch like my arm or my leg or something, they always talk about how smooth my skin is. That should be normalized. It's truly a shame that it's not. So here are my tips and tricks and how I shower for summer 2020 so that you guys can also have smooth skin and stay smelling good. Okay, it's 2020, y'all. There's no excuses. Too many products out, too many doctors, too much insurance. Get yourself together. And I'm here to help you get together. And if you have any additional questions, please don't be afraid to comment down below. No question, no comment, no concern is a stupid comment, question, or concern. Also, be sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you do like this video. And be sure to turn those post notifications on so that you are notified first any and every time I post. Okay? So let's get into this video, y'all. Okay, so you're going to want to start off with a clean washcloth, wash rag, whatever you call it. Honestly, this is where a lot of people mess up. They use dirty rags to wash their body. That's not going to get you nowhere, honey. So clean rag, and you see me here, I'm using a clean rag to dampen my face. I'm just preparing for the face wash. And for the face wash, I'm using Neutrogena oil-free acne wash. This is the pink grapefruit foaming scrub. I absolutely love this stuff, and it smells so good, and it's really good for morning showers too because it just like wakes me up. So now I'm going to use a face mask or face scrub, and I'm using Clarity Down and Dirty, and I actually got that from Hand & Stone. So it's actually just a scrub, but I really like the outcome of this product when I actually leave it on my face. So I'm going to scrub my face and then leave it on throughout the remaining of the shower. So now we're getting into washing our bodies with the infamous Dove Sensitive Skin Beauty Bar. I am using this to wash my body, of course, and I highly recommend this because you can use it in your private area and it not get irritated or anything like that. So invest in it, and men, if your ladies don't got this, invest in it for her, okay? Also, another huge key tip, when you're washing, you want to make sure you're scrubbing at the same time you're washing your body. And you want to make sure you get all crevices and cracks, your back, everything. And when you see the sensor popped up, that means I was getting my private areas that I didn't want it to be seen on YouTube. So continue watching. If you've made it this far in this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to this video and leave a comment down below. So now I am using the Dove Body Exfoliating Polish. This is lavender and coconut scented, and I only use this on my legs, my arms, my stomach, my back, and my neck and chest area. Then I go in with the Tree Hut Coca Colada Shea Sugar Scrub, and this is coconut and pineapple scented. I use this on only, listen ladies, only my bikini line, my bottoms, and then my feet and my underarms, because it has a stronger exfoliating, and I get waxes, so exfoliating your body helps the waxes feel a lot easier when you get them, and then it also keeps your skin smooth. Y'all need this. So now that I have exfoliated my entire body, I rinse off the face mask on my face. Now it is time to rinse your body, and then you need to dry your entire body with a clean towel. And here I am doing that first. I'll always dry my face off first because I don't know, I feel like it's contaminated once you dry your body off, but that's just me. So now I'm going to moisturize my lips because I can't stand dry, cracked lips, and I'm using Aquaphor, and I put that on my lips. Then I'm going to go in with aloe vera gel. I got this from Target, and it's 97.7 pure. I'm running out, so I use my little face paintbrush, and I'm putting it on my face. Then I'm going to go in with another moisturizer, and I'm going to use Cetaphil's moisturizer, and I also mix in a oil, and the oil that I like to use is the Palmer's Oil Skin Therapy Face Oil, and it's cocoa butter formula, and it smells so good, y'all, and it feels so good and looks so good on your skin. So I do that, I put it all in together and then rub it on my face. Okay, so now I'm trying something different. I always like to switch up my body butters or my lotions, and today I'm using Deluxe Skin Butter. This is shea butter and cocoa butter. And y'all, this is a black-owned business, and she is just now launching. I will include all of her information down in the description down below because, y'all, it's the truth. And she even includes this cute little spatula, and it comes in that little bag. So before I do this, I almost forgot, I need to put on deodorant. The only type of deodorant I use is the Secret, and I like to use the clear invisible gel. Now, it doesn't matter what scent I get. I change the scent up every time because I get bored with it. And y'all, this product smells so good. And it smells like, you know that song? It reminds me of the Shea Butter Baby. That's what it reminds me of. But I did forget to use a spatula a few times. I used my nail. But y'all, the product would speak for itself. Like, I tested it on my hand before I put it on my entire body. And Jesus, I know y'all see this difference, okay? Yes. Yes. Support black-owned businesses, period. Also, fun fact, I have really bad dry hands and cuticles, and my hands are on the larger side. So when I tell y'all, this made me feel so much more better about my hands, and it made my hands so smooth, so shiny, as you see right now. And I absolutely love this product, y'all. I gotta rave about it because I do like it. This is the body butter without the lead. So it has like a natural sheen, obviously. And then here is with, ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, y'all, so thank you again for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being a part of Unigang. And if you aren't a part of Unigang, come on, hit that subscribe button down below so you can be a Uniqueen or a king with a Unigang. I would love to have you guys join. Also be sure, to give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe again, and also be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about the products that I use. Let me know if you have any product suggestions. Honestly, I love to switch my products out. The only thing I really love keeping consistent is the Dove's Sensitive Skin. Is this product here. That's the only product that I really love keeping consistent because it's good for sensitive skin and for washing all parts of your body parts. And females, if you get what I'm saying, you get what I'm saying. So it's not good to use scented things. So I usually switch my things out. So if you have any suggestions, let me know. Or if you are a business who wants to send me some products to review, just how I did for Miss Deluxe, and I give this a 10 out of 10. It is perfect. Y'all, I smell so good, like so good. If you do want to send me some product, my P.O. box is listed in the description down below. So just send it to me. Make sure to include your business card or some type of information about your business so that I can shout you out and tag you on my Instagram and on my YouTube. Again, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you know any and every time I post, any and everywhere I post, okay? You'll be the first to know. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
We'll forever be that bitch. Yeah.